Hey guys, it is Monday, Memorial Day. Happy Memorial Day. It is about to be 50% off day in the Unique Thrift Store, so we are about to run in and see what they have. Take advantage of the sale. VIPs get to shop 1 hour earlier today, so we're gonna go in there, run through the shoes, hopefully take advantage of the lower prices. Hey guys, Sean here, Page and HBK from D Sweet Deals. It was a slow holiday weekend. Everyone was getting back outside, enjoying family time, but we did take advantage of some of the holiday sales. So we're going to go ahead and go over the sales we had this weekend. If this was your first time here, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and go ahead and give us a thumbs up. It does help us rank higher in the YouTube ratings. Alright, so let's go over what's sold on eBay, Poshmark over the weekend. These. These. And these. First up, over the weekend on eBay, we sold 2 pairs of black and blue New Day tank tops. It was sold for $8.79 each, free shipping. Next, we have another pair of New Day women's tank top, 2 blue ones. Those both sold at $8 each for free shipping. Next, we had a pair of Adidas wedges. We had to cancel those because as soon as the buyer paid for the item, they sent us a message saying they needed to change the address for where it was being shipped to and wanted us to change it for them. But we decided to cancel that order and have the buyer repurchase it and change the address themselves. The buyers never repurchased it, so we figured that they were just trying to scam on someone else's account. So it's always good to go, it's always good to look out for any buyer trying to purchase and change their addresses and want you to change it. So just cancel the order and let them make the changes on their own. Next, we had some Wild Fable denim jean shorts. Those sold for $15.99 and the buyer paid shipping. Next, we had some Keen women's size 9 Venus H2 sandals. Those sold for $27 and the buyer paid shipping. Let's go over what sold on Poshmark. We had 2 different orders for women's pajama star and above nightgowns. They both sold at $15 each. Next was a pair of Keen rose sandal shoes that sold for $34 and the buyer paid shipping. Next was a Merrell Encore Breeze mesh mules. Those sold for $31 and the buyer paid shipping. Okay, so that's everything that sold over the holiday weekend. And if you want more videos like this, just go ahead and drop a comment below. And don't forget to give us a thumbs up. It does help us rank higher in the YouTube rankings. I hope everyone enjoyed their Memorial weekend. This is Sean, Page and HBK. signing off.